Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. And this time we're demonstrating an AM-FM-8 track out of a 77 Ford T-Bird. This comes from Jim in Bensalem, Pennsylvania. And Jim has requested the modern internal conversion with the USB and Bluetooth functions. And so we're here to make sure it all works before we send her back. So let's go ahead and turn it on. I've got it set to AM at the moment, to the one strong station I get in my area. So let's go ahead and turn it on.
I just, there are real times in this world.
And while we got it on talk radio, we're going to demonstrate our virtual balance and fader function. So let's do that.
It makes people not want to hear it. It makes people disgusted.
Virtual front rear fader.
Everyone knows there's nothing to do. Your
fader adjust.
Okay, so now this same knob is adjusting our front rear speaker balance all the way front, all the way rear, front, rear. Okay, I'm going to center them.
Racist. These are all Democrats.
Fader set. Okay, left, right, balance.
Here's the bigger question.
Balance adjust.
Okay,
Believe
all the way left,
they're women,
all the way right,
and they're minorities.
Left,
but they're getting
right.
blowback.
Okay, I'm going to center them.
No, they don't sincerely believe.
Balance set.
The uncomfortable.
Okay, I'm going to reset that fader because the rear speakers are just a little bit weak, so let's reset that.
And that's what
fader adjust.
Is that if you come after us or you attack us, the same going back to Barack Obama.
Okay, that's better.
If you disagree.
Fader set. Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, you heard that? Okay, let's make sure the USB plays my radio commercial. We don't need this stuff anymore.
To me is that you can undermine women's sports, but that's not sexist.
Okay, so there's that. Alrighty, let's go ahead and move over to FM, and I have all 5 presets set to stations in my area for a quick test. Okay, that one drifted a little.
Checking fees at 1
are now 2 for $4.
They're only in season for a little.
Okay, we'll just reset this one. There we go. Okay, let's try the 8-track.
Spark your imagination with the best selection of
That's a Neil Sedaka here.
originals around.
Okay, blank spot there.
Means wake up and live. Oh yes, the monkeys on an aberdac. On my mind.
Okay, pull the tape.
Radio
Radio comes back. Okay, and that concludes the test. Let's make sure that you probably can't see him, but I can see the dial light flashing on and off in response to my pressing and releasing the button. So she's ready to go back, and I'm ready to get on to the next job, maybe do a little shopping today too. So I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair, and to reach me for service, please visit the website that's in the description below, and please download and print the work order before calling me with a bunch of questions, because the work order has all my options and prices, including options for turn times. And if you're serious about sending in your radio for repair, you're going to have to fill it out anyway. So go ahead and make that the first step towards finding out my price. That's going to save us about 15 minutes on the phone. Just basically going to be a smoother transaction. So thanks so much for watching, listening, and thank you, Jim, for your business all the way from Bensalem, Pennsylvania. And we'll see you guys next time.